Good morning, everybody. We're here to wash out another t-shirt for you.
Ooh, it's cold out today.
Freezing. We are braving the high winds for you, my friends. Trying to get this tie-dye washed out. We'll probably move inside with the warm water pretty quickly. Don't judge. It's very cold.
Very, very cold.
Most people have like tie-dye studios, that would be nice, but we're not balling on that kind of budget. Maybe one day. To the inside.
Okay, let's go. I'm shutting this door too.
Go for it. It's cold enough to warrant it for sure. There's light in here. Oh, this is a peace sign, isn't it?
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
We hope it's a peace
There will be
sign.
a peace sign in there?
But yes, this was supposed to be the peace sign. Yes.
Let's see. Whatever we get, it'll be alright.
I don't know. It looks pretty good. I don't want to jinx myself, but
That dye's been cast.
so far so good.
Banded. Find out what we got hiding in there.
Come on, be something good. Be something good.
Some of them come out like great, maybe that doesn't come out awful, so we'll see.
And I hadn't done it in a while either, so that didn't help
It's
things.
been about a year. It's been a long time. A while is an understatement.
Alright, here we go.
What we
Fingers
got?
crossed. Yay! It worked!
Look at that. Awesome.
It freaking worked.
Look at that. A peace sign. Oh yeah. Let's do the back side. Cool.
It freaking worked.
That's pretty crazy. Okay. Wow. Look at that, people. It's a peace sign.
It freaking worked.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, look at that. Beautiful, perfect peace sign on both sides. Not only on the back, on the reverse, but also on the front. Look at that. That's almost as good as it gets there, folks. Could have been maybe a little bit more of an angle, but otherwise, that is a perfect peace sign. We've actually had a lot of requests for the peace sign lately, and we just haven't done any in a while. Peace signs and smiley faces, which are real close, and we're gonna branch out. We're gonna do a lot more of those. We're gonna do a lot more of all sorts of new cool designs, not just ones we've done in the past. We're going to take a whole different approach to it. You'll see in the coming videos. But yeah. Alrighty folks, let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.